Well, the first thing I did was go to your website, and I felt like your website was very detailed. It went through the entire process. It was very easy to understand. You had, the video up there that took you through the entire process. So that gave me a little bit more confidence. Amazing. When I first met Lena, I feel like we clicked immediately. She got my vision and she knew exactly what I was looking to do. She gave me a ton of ideas. We went back and forth a few times, and I think we really landed with something that really would work for me and still within my budget. Lightbox helped me with my master bath. We extended the master bath, we extended the closet. Also, we moved the closet within my daughter's bedroom and gave her a walk-in closet. So her bedroom is now a little bit bigger, but now she also has more storage space. The hall bathroom was also redone to look a little bit more modern and bringing again more storage. We added closets to my son's bedroom. He didn't originally have closets in there. Now he's got more than enough space. And we redid all of the floors in the home, refinished downstairs, and then put hardwood floors throughout all the bedrooms. And then we also did the stairwells, which, as you can see, look amazing. Oh, and the powder room, that's right. We also did the powder room. We added new finishes, new basin and everything, and then also wallpaper. So all of the furnishings were just very old in there. We had a beautiful tub, but it was huge. It was a jacuzzi. I don't know about all the jets. My closet was tiny, tight and tiny. So I definitely needed more space there, and it just made sense that I needed to do something to kind of get the space and the bathroom I wanted. And my master bath layout was horrendous, yeah. You hear the horror stories, right? You hear, this was supposed to take 6 weeks, it took 3 months, or whatever the case. So I was a little worried going into that, but I think, Lena was really good about letting me know what was going on and that she would do her best to stay on schedule. It's been great, honestly. I mean, speaking for myself, I wake up, I'm in my shower, it feels like a spa. It's amazing, I love it. My daughter is obsessed with my tub. She only wants to take baths in my tub. I think she feels like a movie star. She wants her little drink on the side. It's insane. My son, he's a teenager. He's got everything he needs. There's so much storage now. It's not a mess on his counter, so yeah, it's really definitely changed our lives. We are updating everything now. I think the house looks completely different, which is with minor changes, right? Like there wasn't a ton that was done, but with those updates, it's just like a whole new home. It was amazing. It was very easy. I feel like Lena was very on top of everything, kept me up to date with all of what was going on. I love the website that has the calendar on it that told me exactly what was going on within my home day by day, so I knew exactly, what was going on, what time that things were getting done. And if there were any delays, Lena immediately contacted me and let me know that was happening. And honestly, everything still ended up, getting finished and complete within my time frame, which was amazing. Honestly, I feel like I just wasn't getting the level of detail that I needed. I believe when I first went to Lena, I was talking about extending my home and she immediately was like, I don't know if we need to do that. Whereas I think everyone else, instead of, you know, guiding me through the process, was just like, sure, whatever you want, and I'm not the expert here. We moved in here in 2020, in May of 2020, and it was kind of like, great deal, but the house needed a lot of work. So that year we did our kitchen, but you know, we wanted to take things easy. I didn't want to attack and try to do as much at one time. I was also pregnant with my daughter, so that was not gonna happen. But you know, in the back of my mind, I had always thought about doing more. For sure, do it immediately. It was the best experience. Yeah, 100%.